In September 2009, a hospital on the island of Sumatra in Indonesia was buzzing with curiosity and surprise. A woman named Annie gave birth to a baby boy who wasn't so baby. In fact, he weighed nearly 20 pounds at birth. That's right, Akbar, which means the great in Arabic, came into the world at 19.2 pounds and nearly 24 inches. He was Indonesia's heaviest ever newborn. Annie is diabetic, and the baby's extreme weight was the result of excessive glucose during her pregnancy. Her cesarean delivery lasted 40 minutes and was complicated because of Akbar's abnormally large weight and size. Annie's other two sons were also heavy at birth, but not so heavy. One weighed 11.6 pounds at birth and the other 9.9 pounds. Akbar Rizzuddin was born to a diabetic mother in a 40-minute cesarean delivery that was complicated because of his unusual weight and size, Dr. Binsar Sitanggang said. I'm very happy that my baby and his mother are in good health, Father Muhammad Hassanuddin said Friday. I hope I can afford to feed the baby enough because he needs more milk than other babies. Thankfully, both Annie and Akbar were both in good health following the delivery, but you can bet Akbar had a big appetite and practically nursed non-stop, a fact which wasn't lost on Dad Muhammad. I hope I can afford to feed the baby enough, because he needs more milk than other babies, he said. I'll say, scroll down to see this record-breaking baby for yourself. Crowds pushed to get a peek of the extraordinary boy, who measured nearly 24 inches when he was born Monday at the Abdul Mannan Hospital in the northern town of Kisaran on the island of Sumatra. This is fantastic, Dewi Miranti, a mother from a nearby village, said as she peered through a window with about 100 other people. He looks very well and is cute. The baby's extreme weight was the result of excessive glucose from his mother during pregnancy, Dr. Sitagang said. The baby, who is still unnamed and 24.5 inches long, was delivered by cesarean section Monday at a public hospital in North Sumatra province. This heavy baby made the surgery really tough, especially the process of taking him out of his mother's womb. His legs were so big. Binsar Sitanggang, a gynecologist who took part in the operation, said. Indonesian mom gives birth to 19.2 pounds baby. Despite having to initially be given oxygen to overcome breathing problems, the boy is in good condition. He's got strong appetite every minute. It's almost non-stop feeding, he said. This baby boy is extraordinary. The way he's crying is not like a usual baby. It's really loud. The boy's massive size was likely the result of his mother Annie, 41, having diabetes. At 9 months, she had to be rushed to hospital due to complications with the pregnancy. The baby, her fourth, was the only child not delivered by a traditional midwife. When a diabetic mother's glucose level is high during pregnancy, the baby can receive too much glucose and grow too large, according to the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists. Indonesia's previous heaviest baby, weighing in at 6.9 kilos, was born in 2007 on the outskirts of the capital Jakarta, according to the Indonesian Museum of Records website. Crowds gathered to catch a glimpse of this extraordinary boy. Proud Mom was all smiles, and she and baby were in surprisingly good health.